We continue learning Rabeinu Yona's Sharei Teshuva as we wrap up this incredible sefer. On page 673, continues Rabeinu Yona. We're talking about Yom Kippur and the kapara that it gives us. But says Rabeinu Yona, we previously learned that which one is chayiv misas, bezdin, or krisos, Yom Kippur does not completely cleanse. Continues Rabeinu Yona, and he adds on, Aveirush v'ni adam la'amakoim. That's what we're talking about, Yom Kippur mechaper. However, Aveirush v'ni adam la'chaveira ein Yom Kippur mechaper ad she'iratzes chaveiroi. And therefore says Rabeinu Yona l'chein, you have to first return that which you stole, and only afterwards can you say the vidui. The misvadet chila, if you do the vidui first, you confess first. It's pointless. You're not doing anything. Says teaches the Gemara Baba Kama. Those learning Daf Yomi, we had this about 2 months ago. Then the Baba Kama says the Gemara that one who steals, he swears falsely. You have to pay back the item you stole. There's an extra fine, you have to pay back a fifth. And to bring a carbon. That if he first pays back before he brings his carbon, then yatsa. That's the order of events. However, ashamai, if you first bring your carbon, but you didn't pay back what you stole, lo yatsa. It doesn't work. Someone steals from a convert who has no inheritors, so you have to pay to the kohen. Teaches the pasuk. That pirush, what does that mean? The asham is what? The repayment. They have to pay back. You stole. And only afterwards can you bring your carbon. So says Rabeinu Yona, when it comes to Aveirus bin Adam la'amakoim, then Yom Kippur is mechaper. But bin Adam la'chaveira, you first have to make good to your friend. You first have to go and pay back that which you did wrong, and only after can you then go and bring the carbon to Hashem. If you hurt a friend through words, you have to appease him. Yom Kippur is not going to help you. It's needless to say, if you spoke in Lashon Hara, it's a horrible sin. And if your friend doesn't forgive you, you have to come in front of him with a group of 3 people and to ask for forgiveness. The second time with another group of 3 people saying how you feel bad about what you did and you want him to forgive you. And 3 times you have to ask him for forgiveness. And only afterwards can you walk into Yom Kippur. And says Elihu, which was one of the Chaverim of Eov, a pasuk in Eov. Yashar ala anashim, he goes around to people. V'yomer chatasi v'yosher avisi v'lo shavali. I did an aveira. I have made crooked that which is straight, and I didn't make them as honest. Explains to Rabeinu Yona, what does that mean that he made crooked that which is straight? Pirush. Ho'isha yashar avisi. The straight person I have made crooked. Milashin tam yashar. K'lo yisi roya is a chos l'isha yashar. He didn't see anything good about the good person. Aval samtim navem and akesh, but rather I characterized him as a crooked, as perverse, meaning he spoke about him negatively. And I did not regard him as honest. What does that mean? It comes from the expression of surely when he smooths out. So what do we see? We see that to talk about an honest person negatively, crookedly, is the crime. This person who wants to do tshuva, but what did he do? He took good people and he belittled them in front of other people. So what does he have to do now? Is that kapara humble yourself and ask for tshuva in front of other people. This is the reason Elihu, when he's talking about the tshuva, he speaks about this particular aveira. Human aveira is chamura. It's a horrible sin that destroys the soul. Even a personal forgiveness is not enough, because by being mevazeh, by belittling the Talmud Chacham, you're mevazeh the Torah, you're mechalel, you're desecrated the Torah. The critical importance, Rabeinu Yona spells out that beyond Yom Kippur, or prior, I should say, even to Yom Kippur, is the Bein Adam L'Chaveiro, that one has to make sure and ensure the kapara between the people that he wronged on the personal level.